In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Wise card in Singapore. Whether you're planning a trip or just looking for a more efficient way to manage your finances abroad, getting set up with a Wise account is a great step forward. First things first, you'll need to make sure you have a Wise account. If you haven't set this up yet, you can do so easily on the Wise website or app. For those who already have an account, go ahead and log in to get started. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the card section. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't ordered a physical card yet, this is the place to do it. A physical card is essential for in-person transactions, and ordering one is straightforward. Simply select the option for a physical card. There will be a small fee associated with this card, which you'll need to pay at this stage. The card will then be dispatched to you and should arrive within 7 days, making it a quick and convenient process. Once you've received your physical card, you'll be able to use it at any merchant in Singapore, as well as in other countries where card payments are accepted. This flexibility makes it an excellent tool for travelers or anyone needing to make payments in various currencies. Keep in mind that using a Wise card can also help you save on conversion fees, which is a handy bonus. Now, if you prefer not to wait for a physical card to arrive in the mail, you also have the option to order a digital card. This digital card arrives instantly and can be used for online transactions. It's a great choice if you frequently make online purchases or if you simply want quick access to your funds without waiting for a physical card to be delivered. Digital cards can be a lifesaver when time is of the essence. And there you have it. Whether you choose a physical or digital card, you are now equipped to efficiently and securely make transactions in Singapore and beyond. By following these steps, you ensure you have easy access to the funds in your Wise account, providing you with financial flexibility wherever you are. Safe travels and happy spending.